So in this particular situation, I'm gonna talk about how the planets are very confusing. No matter where you go, it's not flat. It's not, nothing like Earth where you have flat surfaces and erosion and things like that. It's very jagged, very uh, most of the time crystal, but the crystals are rocks, so it's much like a cave of crystals. But the, the structures are not the colors of rocks we know. It's mostly transient, like not like a transient source of materials. Uh, they are very unlit, uncharted, and there's a lot of dust, so that's very known. Dust mostly, I would say, is very, very thick and never stops blowing. It doesn't settle, so I guess that would make the rocks that are there. But it's nothing like the settling temperatures of Earth on the uninhabitable planets I'm talking about. They're very unnerving and unlikely to be anybody there at any point. So the ones we're on, we're just being in a very dark place where nothing happens. But when it happens, it's pretty much it. You gotta go, and that's about it. Thanks.